in the heat of summer. Truck drivers often face high temperatures during breaks. Today, we bring you a powerful parking air conditioner. This parking air conditioner looks fashionable, reliable, quality, easy to install. It doesn't take up too much space. Our parking air conditioner is equipped with a remote control. It can be operated remotely, and the operation is simple at a glance. Excellent cooling effect with large air volume. Fast cooling. This allows you to enjoy a cool break while parking. Choose our parking air conditioner. Make your journey more comfortable.